My wife, Saroj, and I are deeply honored with your presence this afternoon, and we thank you most sincerely for gracing the occasion with your presence to witness this special investiture ceremony. On this occasion, again, I have the honor to bestow awards under Fiji's honor system to the remaining members of Fiji's gold medal winning team in the 2016 Summer Olympic Games in Rio. Ladies and gentlemen, the team manager, Mr. Ropate Qalimaiwiriwiri, and two senior players, Mr. Leone Nakarawa and Mr. Semi Kunatani, have just arrived into the country yesterday after representing Fiji at the closing ceremony of the Olympic Games last week. Although they missed the national celebrations in Nadi and Suva this past Sunday and Monday, respectively, it is the wish of the nation and certainly my intention as the President and Chancellor of the Order of Fiji to ensure that they did not miss out from receiving the awards under Fiji's honor system. I'm advised that both Mr. Nakarawa and Mr. Kunatani will need to depart our shores this weekend to fulfill their rugby contracts in France. Hence this afternoon's rather brief but certainly important investiture ceremony. And ladies and gentlemen, I've just been told that regrettably, Leone Nakarawa is still on his way. So hopefully he'll get here to receive his medal. But I hope that the whole team will be able to make it to Lambasa tomorrow, where Fijians in the Northern Division, who have been eagerly awaiting the team's arrival to show their appreciation and joy in the true Fijian spirit, and at the same time get to meet you, our Rugby Sevens World Olympic champions, in person. The Honourable Prime Minister and I have spoken at length on the reasons why Fiji wishes to mark our Olympic gold medal win in such a big way. I will not need to delve on this today. Suffice to say that this historic win deserves the best reception and awards that the nation can afford now, given all other considerations. I had the distinct pleasure on Monday to bestow the Honorary Companion of the Order of Fiji to the national coach, Mr. Ben Ryan, and the other officer of the Order of Fiji, to all the other players of our gold-winning team and officials. Today I have the greatest pleasure to bestow the Officer of the Order of Fiji to the two players, Mr. Leone Nakarawa and Mr. Semi Kunatani, and the team manager, Mr. Ropate Qalimaiwiriwiri, who is still making their way back to Fiji during our national celebrations on Monday. Good to have you back, gentlemen. Similarly, it's also my pleasant duty and honor to acknowledge and appropriately reward two other key members of the National Sevens Team, Mr. Chris Cracknel and Mr. Jeremy Manning this afternoon. The Fiji Rugby Union, and especially Mr. Ben Ryan, have advised me that the two men each played vital and distinctive roles for the team, not only in the Olympic Games, but importantly in the build-up to the Olympics. I'm advised that Mr. Cracknell was the forwards and skills coach for the men's team, although he was better known to the public and to the world as the coaching director for the Fijian team. Mr. Manning was the kicking coach. And I'm told that since 2013, right up to the Olympic Games, the Fiji men's sevens team had the best record in terms of kicking accuracy, from the converting goals to winning back possession after every restart of the game. Now, Jeremy, that we have won the gold medal in Rio is testimony enough to the contribution of every player and team officials, including both Mr. Cracknell and Manning. I was advised that they were not included as a formal part of the men's sevens team to the Olympics because of the limited number of players and officials allowed under the World Rugby and Olympic charters. However, their contributions to the men's team, which started back in 2013 when Fiji secured the services of national coach Ben Ryan, certainly contributed towards Fiji's win in the World Seven Series for 2 consecutive years, and it culminated in our gold medal win in Rio. Even the Fijian team retained its 8th position after the Olympic Games, and in line with my intention to promote and inculcate a culture of appreciation, as the President and Chancellor of the Order of Fiji, I had solicited the endorsement of the College of Honor to consider an appropriate award for the gentleman. Ladies and gentlemen, in view of their support and unwavering commitment to Fiji for the promotion of rugby, and in particular for assisting Coach Ben Ryan in preparing our men's and women's sevens teams, I deem it a pleasure and indeed an honor to bestow the Honorary Officer of the Order of Fiji to both Mr. Cracknel and Mr. Manning. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm convinced that these awards are in line and consistent with the national psyche and mood right now, with the sterling performance of our athletes during the 2016 Rio Olympics, in particular the Sevens men rugby team. So let us continue to savor our newly established status as world champions and give credit when and where it is due. In fact, the Fiji Honours and Awards Act was established in 1995 for this very purpose, to recognize merit and achievement by citizens of Fiji, and occasionally as honorary appointments by non-citizens. The awards are made across the whole range of human endeavor, including but not limited to government and civil service, local body administration, industry, diplomacy, health, education, law, the arts, sports, religion, the news media, environment, youth development, charity, and indeed, including all other areas in which service to Fiji is identified. As I mentioned in my investiture as the Chancellor of the Order a month ago, the renewed focus on recognizing those who actively contribute to Fiji's progress as a nation is also aimed at complementing the government's current efforts and emphasis on inspiring all Fijians to take greater pride and be more patriotic for Fiji. On this occasion, Fiji is standing tall within the sporting fraternity due to the achievements of our Sevens rugby team. They have transformed Fiji into a superpower in World Sevens rugby. This achievement alone will forever be remembered favorably in our young nation's history. Ladies and gentlemen, I now have the distinct honor to bestow Fiji's awards to this fine young man. And I thank you again for your presence this afternoon, and let us wish our brethren in the Northern Division and our heroes a happy and successful celebrations tomorrow. May Almighty God continue to bless us all and our beloved nation Fiji. Navalavu, Dhanyavad, Sukriya, Sheshe, Payaksha, and thank you.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we will now have His Excellency the President bestow the awards. The Office of the Order of Fiji, ladies and gentlemen, is awarded to a Fiji citizen for distinguished service of a high degree to Fiji or to humanity at large. And to receive the insignia of the Office of the Order of Fiji is Mr. Tani Qerelevu Kunabuli. Ladies and gentlemen, to also receive the insignia for the Officer of the Order of Fiji is Mr. Ropate Qalimaiwiriwiri Kauvesi. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorary Officer of the Order of Fiji is awarded to a non-Fiji citizen for distinguished service of a high degree to Fiji or to humanity at large. And to receive the insignia for the Honorary Officer of the Order of Fiji is Mr. Christopher Cracknell. Also to receive the insignia for the Honorary Officer of the Order of Fiji is Mr. Jeremy Manning. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as mentioned by His Excellency the President, he will be very happy to make special arrangement for Mr. Leone Nakarawa when he arrives. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to announce that the investiture ceremony is now concluded. May I request that we all be upstanding as His Excellency the President retires. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ben Ryan said on Monday, only in Fiji. But His Excellency the President is most honored, and I'm sure all of us are, to recognize one of our senior players in the Fiji Sevens Team. And it is our honor now to invite His Excellency the President to kindly come forward to bestow the Officer of the Order of Fiji to Mr. Leone Nakarawa. The Officer of the Order of Fiji is awarded to a Fiji citizen for distinguished service of a high degree to Fiji or to humanity at large. And to receive the insignia for the Office of the Order of Fiji is Mr. Leone Nakarawa.